My name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. And I'll start with UK FTSE futures. An indecisive spinning top last Thursday that challenged, once again, the support below of the combination of the middle time, currently at 66.92, of the December 2020, late January 2021 very shallowly bullish shift pitchfork, and the lesser Fibonacci line at 66.84. As I mentioned last week, I've been contemplating the recent action here quite a bit, and I'd like to continue to run this idea. What I had initially thought of as being a sideways triangle over 2021 may be morphing into another pattern, or one of two patterns. I suspect the late January to date action may be becoming either a rising wedge pattern or a possible narrowing bull channel. Currently both are between 65.97 and 68.51. I'm not too keen on the latter, but the former has some merit. I'd like you to keep this in mind. So far today, a gapping higher open since filled, opening well over the height of the last 2 weeks. We have some small congestion from 3 weeks ago in the 67.95 area, but then little until the new upper wedge trend line come upper bull channel line. German DAX futures. A 13th, yes. If all are accounted for, then a 13th bullish white soldier last Thursday. There's also a new all-time high and high close. Despite all that, it was an unremarkable move higher, if taken on its own. Prices are moving ever closer towards target X in the 15.525 area. This is the potential target for the oft-mentioned ragged mid-September to November 2020 reverse head and shoulders pattern. Something I've been waiting a long time to get a look in. Close by, the target X is the projected 50% Fibonacci line of the October 2020 to February 2021 action. That's at the 15.629 level. Overall, the very recent bullish Andrews picture from late January to late February is still driving prices higher. We're currently in between the lower time, currently at 14.731, and the middle time, currently 15.320 above. So far today, a gapping move higher, not filled at this time, with a new all-time high, and we're now up testing the overhead middle time. There's another day of getting closer to target X, it seems. For information, the nearest significant GAN number is at 15.309, if that interests you. US E-mini S&P futures. A bullish double yesterday, well, sort of, for new all-time high as well. This was also the second consecutive close up over not only the upper time, currently at 40.60, of the recent early February to March shallow bullish shift pitchfork, but also the more steeply rising middle time, currently 40.66, of the broken but seemingly still important late December 2020 to early February 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork. The recent February to March bullish shift pitchfork will be retired after this commentary, unless something drastic happens in the meantime. Beyond the middle time, we have a lesser projected Fibonacci level at 41.06, then the recent smaller 100% projected Fibonacci line at 41.29. So far today, small move higher to a new fresh high, but the market pulling back to the old broken upper time of the bullish shift pitchfork. Not enough to be a bearish dark cloud cover pattern as yet, but enough to make me think twice about retiring this broken shift pitchfork. French CAC 40 futures. A reactionary bullish white soldier last Thursday with a new recent high and testing the February 2020 high at 61.17, though not closing over it. We're now also close to the all-time high from back in July 2007 at 61.68. Overall, we're still in between the lower time below, currently at 59.77, and the middle time above, currently 62.59 of the December 2020 to January 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork. as I've repeatedly said over the last 3 weeks. All is moot until prices move out of those times. So far today, another attempt higher for higher open over the February 2020 high and halting just below the all-time high. The only issue is that it is looking very much like an indecisive doji crossed for today, something the bulls out there would not like to see just before the all-time high as well. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.